Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is a Dollar Tree video, and these are honestly like one of my favorite videos to make because who doesn't like Dollar Tree? Like if you don't shop at Dollar Tree, you are missing out. Today I'm going to be rating their new home air freshener scents. You know, like the little plug-ins that are so freaking versatile, and even like the oils that they have there to make your house smell amazing. They have some new scents. Well, at least they're new to me because I usually go there pretty often, and these are my first time that I'm seeing these scents. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so the first scent that I'm really excited about because I absolutely love vanilla. They have this vanilla cookies flavor. I don't use it in the plugins. I like to use it in a diffuser because you only need a little bit. I have high hopes because this is the one that I really was excited about. Y'all, it smells so good. It's definitely giving that vanilla sugar cookie smell. Like if you ever had a sugar cookie candle, I know some people don't like it. Me personally, those are one of my favorite candles. Rating is 10 out of 10 for sure. I actually bought like 5 of those, and I'm really happy that I did. So those should last me like 5 weeks at least. The next scent that I saw, this is more like for the fall time. This one is pumpkin spice flavored, giving more like fall, Thanksgiving time. It's definitely, you smell that spice and that cinnamon. It's definitely perfect for the fall time. But it also has like, it has like an orange essence to it, like an orange cinnamon essence. And it's not too overpowering. I know some spice stuff kind of stinks. This I actually enjoy, and I'm happy that I got it. I was a little bit questionable, but I feel like the orange in it really saves it. Kind of has like a tropical spice mixed together. I would rate this a 7.5 out of 10. The next scent that I was interested to try was Autumn Breeze. I didn't know exactly what to expect with this, so this will definitely be a surprise, but it's called Autumn Breeze. That is very unique. Like I don't even know if I can describe it. It's so unique. It's like, it smells very clean with a hint of like, what is that? A hint of maybe floral. It smells like a clean floral scent. Very unique. Like I can't say that I've ever really smelled anything like it. I wouldn't say that it reminds me of autumn. I do like it, and it smells very, very good. I would give this an 8 out of 10 for scent wise. And the last scent I want to share with you guys, I got 2 of them. I recently realized how much I love the smell of Sandalwood. Magnificent. Like I love that scent, and I just so happened to see this Sandalwood and Rose fragrance oil at the Dollar Tree, and I was like, this gives like, that sounds good, because I also like Rose as well by itself. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what this smells like. Okay, a little bit underwhelming. I thought I would like this a little better. It doesn't stink, but I thought I would like it a little bit more just because I love Sandalwood, and Rose smells, you know, pretty good as well. I'm definitely getting the Rose. Maybe I need to like, I know you probably shouldn't put this on your skin directly, but we're just gonna go for it. So it's okay. Like, I'm going to use it. I'm definitely going to use it. I might mix it in with something else and not use it by itself. I'm definitely getting more notes of the rose and the sandalwood, and I also have sandalwood essential oil, so I might mix that as well in my diffuser with everything. Yeah, I would rate this by itself. I would rate it a 6 out of 10. A little bit underwhelming. I had more hopes for this scent, but it is what it is. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys how I actually make my house smell good with these air fresheners. I don't use them as plugins because they just don't give that smell like I wanted to. So this is what I do. You may not supposed to do this, but I do it anyway and it works for me. So here is my oil diffuser that I got from Walmart. It was very inexpensive and a good way to keep your house smelling good. So essentially, I just take the air freshener that I got from the Dollar Tree and I take off the top of it and pour some into the diffuser along with some water. And you can also transfer this liquid into a bottle with a droplet topper. I don't have the extra one right now, so I'm just gonna keep pouring it from the actual bottle. But super simple way to keep your house smelling good, and it's very inexpensive but effective. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.